She was only 3 years old, and she was in the intensive care unit at the Children's Hospital. She had a massive lung infection, and because of the doctor's carelessness, we believed that she now needed to have part of her lung surgically removed. You want to learn what happened and why I was wrong in my initial evaluation of this case? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. So now this family comes to me telling me that their 3-year-old daughter is in the hospital. They've been in the hospital for weeks now, and the child had to undergo surgery to remove part of the lobe of the lung, known as a lobectomy. So now I was able to obtain the records after the child gets discharged and send it off to a pediatric expert, who then reviews the records and comes back to me and says, we don't have a basis for a case. And now I'm reading through the records and I'm trying to figure out if the expert is correct. I'm trying to understand what the parents are telling me and the conversations they've had with their treating doctors. Something's not making sense. My initial read is that, okay, there's something here, but my expert's telling me, no, there isn't. So you know what I did? I took those same records and I sent it off to a pediatric surgeon. This is different. Not a pediatrician, but now a pediatric surgeon. And what does a pediatric surgeon do? He asks some key questions that the original expert, the original pediatrician, never thought to ask. Only because this pediatric surgeon asked those questions and couldn't get satisfactory answers was I able to take a case that originally was believed to have no basis whatsoever, and now we were able to show that the hospital clearly violated the basic standards of medical care. And as a result of their delay in diagnosing and treating this child's condition, she now required this significant surgery. As a result of that, after 2 entire years of litigation, we were able to successfully settle that case and resolve it in our favor. But what was most amazing to me was the fact that the original doctor I sent the records to said, no, we don't have a basis for a case. Instead, it was the pediatric surgeon who raised the red flag and said, wait a second, why didn't they do this? Why didn't they do this? How come this wasn't done? Why wasn't this done? And now we had a clear vision and a clear understanding of exactly what the standards of care were that the hospital staff should have done, but failed to do. And as a result of those violations of the basic standards of medical care, this young child suffered significant and permanent injury. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense and an idea of what goes on when evaluating a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.